This is how to uninstall an app from your iPhone and iOS 26. All you have to do, well, there's two different ways. The easiest way is on your home screen. All you have to do is tap and hold on an app like TikTok here. Then tap on Remove App. And then we can choose to remove the app from the home screen, which won't delete it. It'll just remove it from your home screen, or we can delete the app. If we delete the app, it's going to be gone. Let's tap Delete again. And now we're going to see it disappear, and that app is gone from our phone. Luckily, it's easily downloaded again. I'll show you how at the end of this video. The second way we can delete apps is in the settings. So let's go to the settings. Let's go all the way out to the main settings and scroll down until we see apps. Tap on that and then scroll around until you find General. And then under General, go to iPhone Storage. Here it's going to show everything, all the apps, all the space taken up on your phone, everything. And this app list down here allows you to easily delete apps. So let's find one we want to delete. Let's delete this one right here. Tap into it. We have the option to offload the app, which will clear the documents and data or some portion of that to free up more space. Then the app can be reinstalled in the future and it's saved all the settings that you have, or we delete the app and it deletes everything to do with the app. So let's choose Delete App and then delete again. And now that app is gone. To get an app back, all we have to do is go to the App Store. And if we search for it, let's search for TikTok. Because there's something special that happens if the app was on your phone before. And that is this little cloud icon with a little down arrow. That means it was on your phone before. And I don't know if that makes it easier to download or if it stored some settings somewhere, but it has this icon for if it's been on your phone before, and it has the Get button if you've never downloaded it before. Anyway, to get it again, just click on the cloud or tap on it, and now it's downloading again. And we see it right there being installed. So that's how we can delete apps and then alternatively reinstall them if we want to. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which shows you how to download YouTube videos on your iPhone for free.